Hello everyone, friends on the channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your wireless keyboard isn't working or connecting. First, try simply turning it off and on again. Yes, turn it off, then back on, and press the connect button to try reconnecting. Also make sure it's charged. Try charging it. If that doesn't help, you'll need to reconnect it to your computer. For this, here's my computer. Right-click on Start. There. And we need to open the device manager here. There. Here we need to find keyboards and disconnect them. It might have a different name on your system. Click Uninstall Device, and then restart your computer. Click Start, click here, and then click Restart. After restarting, go to Bluetooth and other devices. Click the Add Device button and connect your keyboard again. This should solve the problem. This was with you. Goodbye, everyone.